Hello, today we are cooking mashed potato. Step 1, peel the potato.
Today we are cooking mashed potatoes. Step 1, peel the potatoes. 2, cut the potatoes in half. Cut the potatoes in half. 2, cut the potatoes in half.
2. Cut the potatoes in half. Put the potato in a saucepan, add milk.
Step 3, put the potatoes in a saucepan and add water. Step 3, put the potatoes in a saucepan and add water.
Potato in a saucepan, add water.
5, boil the potatoes until cooked. Bring the water to a boil. 5, boil the potatoes until cooked.
Bring the water to a boil. Step 5. Bring the water. Step 4. Bring the water to a boil. Boil the potatoes until cooked. Step 5. Boil the potato to boil. Step 5. Boil the potato until cooked.
Step 6. Drain the water and put the cooked potatoes in a bowl. Step 6. Drain the water and put cooked potatoes in a bowl.
Drain the water and put the cooked potato in a bowl. Step 6. Drain the water and put the cooked potato in a bowl.
7. Mash the potatoes, add milk, butter, salt, and pepper. Step 8. Serve, eat, and enjoy. Step 7. Mash the potatoes and add milk, butter, pepper, and salt. Step 8. Serve, eat, and enjoy.
Step 7. Mash the potato and add milk, butter, pepper, and salt. Step 8. Step 8. Serve, eat, and enjoy. 8. Serve, eat, and enjoy. Con la mano.